Do you feel like you don't speak enough Turkish? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and fluency fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. Today, we'll learn conversational phrases about occupations. After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about your job and ask what somebody does for a living. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir sanatçıyım.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
Ne iş yapıyorsun?
What do you do?
Ben bir sanatçıyım.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
Ne iş yapıyorsun?
Listen to it again.
Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ne iş yapıyorsun?
Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Ben bir,
Your occupation. I'm an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
ben bir sanatçıyım. Ben bir sanatçıyım.
Here are a few more professions you can use with the same pattern. Police officer,
Polis memuru. Polis memuru.
teacher,
Öğretmen. Öğretmen.
doctor,
Doktor. Doktor.
engineer,
Mühendis. Mühendis.
Now, listen to some examples.
Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir öğretmenim. Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir doktorum. Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir mühendisim.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, what do you do?
Ne iş yapıyorsun?
Imagine you're a doctor. Do you remember how to say, doctor?
Doktor. Doktor.
Say, I'm a doctor.
Ben bir doktorum.
Now answer the question saying that you are a doctor.
Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir doktorum.
Now, imagine you're a teacher. Do you remember how to say teacher?
Öğretmen. Öğretmen.
Say, I'm a teacher.
Ben bir öğretmenim.
Now, answer the question saying that you are a teacher.
Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir öğretmenim.
Now, imagine you're an engineer. Do you remember how to say engineer?
Mühendis. Mühendis.
Say, I'm an engineer.
Ben bir mühendisim.
Now, answer the question saying that you are an engineer.
Ne iş yapıyorsun? Ben bir mühendisim.
Well done! In this lesson, you learn new occupation-related vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life. You are now able to talk about your job like a native speaker. Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Annen nasıl? O iyi.
Once more with the English translation.
Annen nasıl?
How's your mother?
O iyi.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's,
Annen nasıl?
listen to it again.
Annen nasıl? Annen nasıl?
This Turkish sentence literally means, your mother is how? But it translates as, how's your mother in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
O.
state of well-being. But it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
O. İyi. O iyi.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
Harika. Harika.
fine,
İyi. İyi.
so-so,
Fena değil. Fena değil.
not good,
İyi değil. İyi değil.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Annen nasıl? O harika. Annen nasıl? O fena değil. Annen nasıl? O iyi değil.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how's your mother?
Annen nasıl?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say great?
Harika. Harika.
Say, she's great.
O harika.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
Annen nasıl? O harika.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
Fena değil. Fena değil.
Say, she's so-so.
O fena değil.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
Annen nasıl? O fena değil.
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
İyi değil. İyi değil.
Say, she's not good.
O iyi değil.
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
Annen nasıl? O iyi değil.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, what's the matter? After watching this video, you'll be able to make complaints and ask someone else if they're having any issues. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Her şey yolunda mı?
Ofis sıcaktır.
Once more with the English translation.
Her şey yolunda mı?
What's the matter?
Ofis sıcaktır.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's,
Her şey yolunda mı?
listen to it again.
Her şey yolunda mı? Her şey yolunda mı?
This Turkish sentence literally translates into, everything all right is, but it means, what's the matter in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Ofis
adjective.
dir.
This Turkish sentence literally translates into, the office adjective is, but it means, the office is adjective in English. For example, the office is hot.
Ofis sıcaktır. Ofis sıcaktır.
Here are a few more examples you can use with the same pattern to make complaints. Hot,
Sıcak. Sıcak.
cold,
Soğuk. Soğuk.
noisy,
Gürültülü. Gürültülü.
dirty,
Kirli. Kirli.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Her şey yolunda mı? Ofis soğuktur. Her şey yolunda mı? Ofis gürültülüdür. Her şey yolunda mı? Ofis kirlidir.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, what's the matter?
Her şey yolunda mı?
Imagine the office is cold. Do you remember how to say cold?
Soğuk. Soğuk.
Say, the office is cold.
Ofis soğuktur.
Now answer the question saying the office is cold.
Her şey yolunda mı? Ofis soğuktur.
Now imagine the office is noisy. Do you remember how to say noisy?
Gürültülü. Gürültülü.
Say, the office is noisy.
Ofis gürültülüdür.
Now, answer the question saying the office is noisy.
Her şey yolunda mı? Ofis gürültülüdür.
Now imagine the office is dirty. Do you remember how to say dirty?
Kirli. Kirli.
Say, the office is dirty.
Ofis kirlidir.
Now answer the question saying the office is dirty.
Her şey yolunda mı? Ofis kirlidir.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to make complaints. You are now able to share your concerns like a native speaker. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to ask and answer the question, how do you say this? After watching this video, you'll be able to ask someone how a word is pronounced. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu otopark.
Once more with the English translation.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
How do you say this?
Bu otopark.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
listen to it again.
Bunu nasıl söylersin? Bunu nasıl söylersin?
This Turkish sentence literally translates into, this, how do you say? But it means, how do you say this in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
Bu
word. This Turkish sentence literally translates into, this word is, but it means, it's word in English. For example, it's parking lot.
Bu otopark. Bu otopark.
Here are a few useful words you can use with the same pattern. Parking lot,
Otopark. Otopark.
giraffe,
Zürafa. Zürafa.
travel,
Seyahat. Seyahat.
invasion,
İstila. İstila.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu zürafa.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu seyahat.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu istila.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how do you say this?
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Imagine it's the word giraffe. Do you remember how to say giraffe?
Zürafa. Zürafa.
Say, it's giraffe.
Bu zürafa.
Now answer the question saying, it's giraffe.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu zürafa.
Now imagine the word is travel. Do you remember how to say travel?
Seyahat. Seyahat.
Say, it's travel.
Bu seyahat.
Now answer the question saying it's travel.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu seyahat.
Now imagine the word is invasion. Do you remember how to say invasion?
İstila. İstila.
Say, it's invasion.
Bu istila.
Now answer the question saying it's invasion.
Bunu nasıl söylersin?
Bu istila.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to ask someone how something is said. You are now able to ask how to say something like a native speaker. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, what's your favorite number? After watching this video, you'll be able to say many numbers and ask someone their favorite number. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
En sevdiğin numara nedir? 7.
Once more with the English translation.
En sevdiğin numara nedir?
What's your favorite number?
7.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
En sevdiğin numara nedir?
listen to it again.
En sevdiğin numara nedir? En sevdiğin numara nedir?
This Turkish sentence literally translates into, your favorite number what? But it means, what's your favorite number in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is number. It's number. We only say the number as the answer. For example, it's 7.
7. 7.
Here are a few more numbers you can use with the same pattern. 7,
7. 7.
2,
2. 2.
4,
4. 4.
9,
9. 9.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
En sevdiğin numara nedir? 2. En sevdiğin numara nedir? 4. En sevdiğin numara nedir? 9.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "What's your favorite number?"
En sevdiğin numara nedir?
Imagine it's 2. Do you remember how to say 2?
2. 2.
Say, "It's 2."
2.
Now answer the question saying, "It's 2."
En sevdiğin numara nedir? İki.
Now imagine it's 4. Do you remember how to say 4?
4. 4.
Say, "It's 4."
4.
Now answer the question by saying, "It's 4."
En sevdiğin numara nedir? Dört.
Now imagine it's 9. Do you remember how to say 9?
9. 9.
Say, "It's 9."
9.
Now answer the question saying, "It's 9."
En sevdiğin numara nedir? Dokuz.
In this lesson, you learned number-related phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about numbers. You are now able to count like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us your favorite number. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.